Hi viewers, just wanted to stop and say thank you for viewing my video. I hope you can stop by and watch some more. Leave a like, subscribe, interact with the video. Let me know what's going on in the comments. After we got done shooting video today and taking some pictures, took a ride to Taunton on Tremont Street to visit A1 Pizza. This is not a paid promotion. I just wanted to tell you that they have some fantastic food there. If you're ever down the way, check them out. I'm going to leave their info in the description. Have a good night. I hope you come back for another video.